So kan di bakalan siya dun barangay Limo.
Next, we have the Barangay Maga, proudly displaying their cultural traditions through energetic and heartfelt dance. Once again, Barangay Maga.
All right. Next up from the Barangay Magulon, we see a beautiful tribute to their rich heritage. So let's cheer them on, Barangay Magulon.
Silver.
Ipon, si Bangon. Ay pa ka dyan.